G'day, this video is just a bit of a follow-up on the MaAnt Cj-1, which is a glue removing wand. And I found where it comes into a very good niche for it is, compared to my previous review, right now I've used B7000 frame adhesive on this particular phone. I've cleaned the bottom section of this, and I will go over some isopropyl and finish it up a bit further. But I found that it does do a pretty good job of collecting that glue. So if I go up here, where I haven't done yet, around this section, and just wind it up, you can see it grabbing it. The chunk might be a bit too big for it. Oh, there we go. But normally I'd be using my thumb here, like it is a little bit of a battle. Normally I'd be using my thumb, and by the end of rubbing that up, I would have no skin left on my finger. There we go, that works a bit better there. Not so much over here. I'll clean that with IPA, and I'll more than likely completely clear it. So probably not quite a great example for it, but I would much rather have this like bind up on me and not work. Like, there we go, there's even more. Compared to using my thumb and rubbing my skin off my finger. In some sections it just strips it up really easily, depending on how much glue was previously used. There we go. But to me, this is operating just fine. What have I got? If I turn the RPM up a bit, that may also do the job too. There we go. Now we're going. So for something that's relatively inexpensive in the way of tools, for what is only like a $40, $30, like 20 USD tool, something that helps save a bit of your skin, so far it seems to be relatively good. I may have used this maybe, how many times now? Probably 5 or 6 times now. There we go, get rid of the glue in the middle there. There we go, between the camera lenses. So, yeah, upon retrospect and further use, for what it is, for the size of it, for the ease of use, the initial purchase price, functions pretty good. There we go. And best of all, it saves my finger, it saves my skin, and because of that, might not necessarily save a huge amount in time. This is a lot easier than rubbing your finger constantly back and forth all over the phone to try and get the glue residue off it. So for redoing backs on iPhones, especially if you use B7000, one of these is not bad. Could do a lot worse. Bye.